What do you do when there is a clog in your kitchen sink?
I will try to unclog.
Why do you do so?
Because clogging causes stagnation and obstructs the water flow. I cannot do my dishes with a clogged sink.
You most certainly are right. Have you heard about the lymphatic system in your body?
No, I don't think so.
The lymphatic system is an essential part of our immune and circulatory system. It acts as our body's garbage disposal system. As how the clogged sink causes a lot of inconvenience, an unhealthy or clogged lymphatic system could lead to numerous health conditions ranging from headaches to even cancers.
Wow, this seems interesting. How can I know more about the lymphatic system and how to keep it healthy?
Glad you asked. Sign up for Abhyasa's Yoga for Healthy Immune and Lymphatic System workshop to gain more insights.